Hi everybody, my name is Levi Sauerbrei. I am on the road in Austin today, but on October 30th you can find me in Dallas, Texas at the ISSA Show North America 2018, where I'll be presenting a session on how small businesses can use video to increase their marketing efforts, provide better customer service, and generally make their business more efficient and more profitable. Now, by 2019, it's estimated that 80% of all internet traffic is going to be video, so you can't afford not to do video. And even if you feel like you don't have the expertise or the budget to do video effectively, you absolutely can. So come and see this session. If you'd like to find out more about me before then, you can check me out at nerdbutler.com or on Twitter at nerdbutler. And in case you're still worried that you're not going to know enough or have enough tools to use video effectively, I want to reassure you, I'm doing this entire video on just my cell phone, and you will be able to as well once you've come to this session. We'll see you in October. Can't wait.